Hi. Hi there. I'm Jordan Hansen. Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we are going to... Why do I have my headphones on? Let's take those off. We don't need those. I'm not listening to anything. We are going to Hawaii today. We're going to the Hawaii Secretary of State. We're going to show how to do entity search for different businesses in Hawaii. And then we're going to go through and show how to do it with our portal. So you can go through the portal and talk about, search for whatever you need. And then also use it in Postman. And then completely via API with our Nodejs SDK. So the main goal is here to highlight Hawaii Secretary of State business search, and then how you can get that data automatically or programmatically. So, all right, let's go to it over in Hawaii. So this is Hawaii, our summary page for Hawaii. It has a pretty good, all the stuff you'd expect. It doesn't have industry, which is a bummer. It doesn't have organization documents. Those are two bummers, but they're commonly not included. Everything else it has included in there. And so let's go over to it. To Hawaii, let's see if I go page down. There we go, Hawaii right there. Here we are, the search right here. We're going to search for pasta. No, what about Pop-Tarts? Do you think there's anything for Pop-Tarts? No. Okay, no business names with Pop-Tarts. All right, I tried. How about orange? Okay, we got lots, of course, an orange right here. Okay, Orange Business Services US Inc. That looks like a good one. It's active. We're going to click on that one. And then we look at all the fields here. See, check it. We got master business name, the business type, all this kind of stuff here. Agent address, officers, all that good stuff. So this is what you can get from Hawaii. If you need to order any certificate of good standing, really easy to do this. Click here and order it. I think you can see, yeah, so you can see all their forms. You just can't click them. I think that's what you order. And then let's go over here to this is our portal. So if you log in here, you get a create account. You can create have some free trial requests to test it out. Test this out. And then we submit this here, and it's going to start working and finding that business information. Hawaii probably, I think it's pretty fast. I think it's less than 20 seconds pretty much every time. So we're going to go through this, and it's processing. It's taking that time. We can talk, you and I, one-on-one. Well, oh, it finishes. Sorry, our conversation is over. All right, here we go. We're going to say here, Orange Business Services US. That's what we thought. And actually, it was a foreign profit corporation. Is that right? Foreign profit corporation. So we got the right business here, and it got it all in this nicely formed JSON array with officers right here. What is PSD? President, Secretary, Director? Oh, I think there's I won't worry about that right now, but I'm sure there's definitions over here. Yeah, I see more info. Yeah, President, Secretary, Director. Interesting. Okay, so now we're going to go over here to Postman. So Postman, we come over here like this, paste in our business name, paste in the state. It's going to be HI. And I'm going to start it submitting. And our headers, when you do it via API, you're going to use this URL. And in the headers, we have that documentation all there, so you can go through that documentation. And then the headers, you're going to have x-api-key. And then you're going to put API key here in the value. And bam, here's all the data. All that same data right there. You can see it there. So you can get it via API. And then finally, we can go over to our SDK right here. Let's change that over to hi for Hawaii. And then we search right there. And now it just does the same thing. And how the SDK works is for JavaScript only. So if you're using Node.js, it works really well. Sometimes we have to retry, and it'll handle that just out of the box for you. It makes it really easy. But you're just going to initialize it with SOS API. You pass in the API key, and then you say get business details, and you pass in business name, whatever parameters you want. In this case, we pass in a screenshot, and we're going to click on that here. And there, you can see it there. This thing is in the way, though. It'd be nice to have this closed. Well, we'll work on that in the future. But you can see we have the screenshot here. It shows that we've checked it out. And we have also some timestamp to show you've been there. So that is Hawaii. There, I think that's it. Is there anything else? Let's see here. We got this with the SDK. I think that's all we have for Hawaii. So great. I appreciate you coming with me to the lovely state of Hawaii. I'm not sure if you've been there before, but it's gorgeous. And it has a pretty good Secretary of State business search. It has a captcha that pops up sometimes. It's not too often. But that's it. Jordan Hansen signing off. If you like this video, of course, you should subscribe. If you don't like it, you should still subscribe. Just do it only if you like it. That's fine. If you don't, let's just be friends, visually. From afar, you don't have to subscribe. Okay? Thanks.